What's up, YouTube? Here's the Toy Series DBZ Toy Saga 1. In the Saga 1, you have Broly, SSJ, I guess, and you have Super Saiyan 3, Vegeta. I probably didn't review this, but yeah, it's Piccolo, and it's Gohan, but Super Beast included, but he's in our upstairs, but I'm too tired to get it. So yeah, that's the series, and Cell. Two of them, Boo and Cell, are included. In Saga 2, I'm gonna buy Saturday. I'm gonna buy, I think, Gohan, Super Saiyan, not Team, and Super Saiyan Trunks. What else? Perfect Cell and Android 16. Bye.